Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to an inlay project. I am going to be filming the entire process of taking a digital portrait of Grace Kelly that our client found online, and well, it needs to be put on a fretboard. The difficulty with an inlay design is making it look good, I suppose. And I have had many different thoughts. Now, this is where we were at, thinking aluminium face with this focus, there we go, which is quite a good look, but it's not that, is it now? And getting skin tone with shell is really difficult. Anyway, so here we have multiple different materials. That is, I think, a river shell. We've got abalone, we've got mother of pearl, rippled mother of pearl, black mother of pearl, gold mother of pearl, something random, I'm not sure what that one is. I don't know who that is. This is a piece of sterling silver that's been allowed to tarnish. I love how it looks similar to that. Various pieces of copper and silver, and there's some more abalone. Just all sorts of beautiful things. Now, to get the face, I was potentially thinking about using this stuff, which is, it's called vegetable ivory. It's a tagua nut. And stroke, or possibly ivory. This is, I'm pretty sure this is a hippo tusk, tooth, sorry, or maybe warthog, but I'm fairly sure that's hippo. A number of people suggest that I use veneer. I don't like marquetry. Marquetry art just doesn't do it for me. This very rare piece that actually looks, I don't like it. And it's a personal opinion. And as such, I try and avoid wood as much as possible. However, I've been playing. Well, as you can tell, multiple different pieces of paper. And what I've done is I've found a piece of wood that's got the shading that we require to a certain extent. Where are we? So that shading there is the side of the face where the hair goes, and this is spalting. I'm going to take this piece here and I'm going to inlay that where the nose is. And then I'm going to do the same sort of thing. I'm going to inlay some more spalted wood there. And this piece of flamed and spalted sycamore is going to be the face. And I am so excited. Anyway, this is the end of the talking. If you want to see a tutorial on how to, if you want to see a tutorial where I actually explain every single thing that I do, there are other videos that I've made doing that. Inlay is very simple. Very simple. You cut the piece, you stick it together, you route a cavity and you stick it in and you flatten it off, and that's it. It is the real trick is the artistic element of getting the inlay designed properly first, and it's practicing so that you're good enough with your hands so that the joints all work out. I'm doing this before the fretboard is on the neck because the guitar is an already finished guitar basically. And I'm going to use the masking tape and super glue trick. Now there is always a problem with mixing ebony and maple, and the ebony of course just gets everywhere. So I'm just going to put a sealer coat here of shellac on the maple. It's not the final finish. There's going to be lots of sanding done later. It's just fairly close to final, and this is just going to help stop it from staining quite so much. Plus it looks amazing. Where's the 12th thread? There. So there we go. I'm going to have to do some inlaying here of some spalted stuff and some inlaying here of some spalted stuff. I'm partway through laying the background of this inlay. I'm really enjoying it, and yeah, here's what we're looking like so far. It's gonna be so good.